In this blog, we're going to take a look at the automated modelling tool which has been recently added to Fusion 360. This gives us other options with creating new designs using features that we want to connect together and features that we want to avoid. So I'm going to click on the automated modelling, and what we're going to do here, we're going to click on these faces here that we want to connect together, and then what we're going to do is we're going to rotate our model around, and we're going to select our 3 other faces that we want to connect. What we're then going to do is we're going to pick our bodies that we want to avoid, and then we're going to click then on generate shape. Now I will point out that we can create this as a new body, but we can also as well create it as a new component as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on generate shape, and what this will do for us is it will create us 3 alternative components, and it will also give us 3 alternative versions as well. And how they differ is to do with the connection points. What will happen is when we start to get design options, we'll start to get preview, both in the automated modelling dialog box, but we'll also see it on the screen as well. As you can see, it's calculated the first 3 nearly. We've got all the alternatives now. So we've got our first 3 here which have smooth connections. If you're ever unsure about what the differences are, if you just hover over, so we have like smooth connections like that. Okay, and then options 4, 5 and 6, they will be the alternative version, and they'll be the ones with sharp connections to do with how the connection points are created. So what we can do here is that we can actually click on the options, and we can make them thinner or thicker depending on what we want to do. As you can see, we have quite a few variations on the theme here. So again, you can make them thicker, you can make them thinner. Okay. And again, we've got a different type there as well. So what we'll do, we'll go for alternative 4, and we'll click OK. And that'll go away then and create the body for us. And what we can do then is we can turn off all the other bodies that have created it, so you can see the end result. And we can zoom in, and you can see we get quite a unique design with this as well. So we get some results that are a little bit similar in look to using the generative design tool. Where it differs with generative design is that we're not able to pick different material types to test with. Okay, and factors of safety and that type of thing. So if we wanted to do that type of work to this now, we would have to go into the simulation workspace and run the simulation on it to make sure that it met our design requirements. But hopefully you can see with this that it does give you some more options available within your design process without a lot of work in the process as well. The other nice thing with this as well is that there's no cost involved with regards to credits like with generative design. So you can create your design using the automated modelling tool and there's no cost involved to create it. I hope you found this video useful, and if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. Thanks a lot for your time.